Now, one of the examples on the test that I found when I went to look for the work to see if I could give partial credit was something like this, and often I couldn't give partial credit because I didn't see this type of work. So I'll review it with you. How do you do something like this? They want you to simplify. Well, you have to get your like terms together. This is a like term. It has the variable b. And this is the like term. So I'm going to rewrite this. 23 25ths b plus 14b 15ths. And then I have here a minus 1/3 and a minus 1/2. So I've put the like terms together. So I need a common denominator. So for this one, if I multiply it by 2, I get 50, 30, so that's not going to work. If I multiply this by 3, I get 75. And if I multiply this by 5, I get 75. And it's going to be something with b. Now let's figure out what's my common denominator here. This one's easy. This is just 6. Now as we do these, we are allowed to multiply any fraction by a 1, and it doesn't change its value. But I want to multiply this by a 1 in the form of something that'll make it 75. Well, we had said this was going to be 3/3. So now 3 times 25 is 75, and 3 times this is 69. So now this is an equivalent fraction here to what is there. Now we said if we multiply this by 5, we got this. So I have to multiply this one by 1 in the form of 5/5. See, this is what I was hoping to see as work. So 5 times 15 is 75. And 5 times 14 is 70. So now I just have to add my numerators here, which I think I'll do. So I get a 9, and 7 and 6 are 13. And let's see what I have here. So here I have a negative 1/3. I want a denominator of 6. I'm going to multiply this by 1 in the form of 2/2. So this becomes a negative 2 there. And multiply this by 3/3. This becomes 3. So adding these two together, I get a negative 5/6. And there is the solution. There is all the work. And hopefully it will be helpful for you next time. I did send a link to those that needed work with fractions. And you're going to be getting fractions throughout the course. So that may be something, if you have time, you may want to look into. All right, 4 minutes.